Hi, I'm Mark for Verdtech, and I want to just give you a little perspective on our Varden plantable retaining wall block. I'm standing in front of a wall that was just built with our gray Varden plantable blocks to make this fire pit area possible. This wall is about 4.5 feet tall, and each pocket is filled with really good planting soil, and we planted a sedum live plug in each one. On top, we've got some grasses and some purple cone flowers, and this is going to grow out over the summer and be stunning. But what I really wanted to point out too is that these are not concrete. They look like concrete, but they're not. They're plastic. And we've got a lot of data to show that these are even more environmentally sustainable and conscious than a concrete block wall. And you can build really nice landscape walls up to 8 feet tall with them, and we ship them all over the country. They come in other colors. This is our gray. This is our tan. Each block comes with 2 snap-in side rails. You can see this only weighs 3 pounds. It's really light and easy to handle. And this is our brown color, which gives you some other options for different parts of the country. And I wanted to show how these nest. So they stack, and we can get up to 250 blocks or 250 square feet on one wood shipping pallet. Really makes it easy to ship to you for your project anywhere in the country. And it's excellent for professional landscapers because an inventory of these blocks takes up 0 space, and you can put them in the back of a pickup truck. You don't need specialized equipment to move them around or haul them, and it's great on your workers. So visit our website at verdtech.com and check out our YouTube channel at Varden Vertical Gardens, and like and subscribe, and come back and watch the progress of this wall and many others over the course of the summer.